Hi and welcome back. This week has been fun. Not only have we been having the 103 to 105 actual, and then it feels like a 107 to 110 temperatures, our city's water main blew and we didn't have water for 2 days. The entire city was out. It was literally the main going into the city. They did fix it. We have water now, but it is interesting how many people actually were in line to be able to get water from a water buffalo to be able to flush their toilets. It was comically chaotic, but that is over. Everything is fine now. And now everybody is going to the state board. So in the spirit of things, with it being this hot, we're going to do some Hawaiian pork. So let's get started. Alright, so here is what we're going to do. We got our pork. You can cube it. I'm going to actually slice it. We have 3 bell peppers, 1 onion, sliced pineapple juice on the other end, garlic and ginger, ketchup, some of the soy sauce we just pressed, sugar, and vinegar. And all this is going to be cooked and over rice. Now in a big pan, we're going to go ahead and cook up the vegetables and the meat. Meat first. Make sure you salt and pepper this. Add a little bit of oil to the bottom. You can do this with chicken. You can do this with shrimp. Ooh, shrimp. Steak. Any type of protein that you wish. I guess you can do it with tofu. Not my cup of tea. We're going to fry the meat first, remove it, and then add the vegetables. Now for the sauce, we need a little bit of olive oil on the bottom, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, freshly ground, and you kind of want to bring this up to temperature a little bit. Kind of fry it. Turn over the pork while that's doing its thing. Right, after this has melded together a little bit, we're going to add a cup of pineapple juice. I didn't have any pineapple juice, so I took a slice of pineapple and did that. Put it in a blender. Get my half a cup of pineapple juice, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, three tablespoons of sugar, now you can use any vinegar you want. Rice vinegar, apple cider vinegar is what I have. White vinegar, but 2 tablespoons. And half a cup of ketchup. Mix this around a little bit. You kind of want this to come up to not a boil, but close to it. Because remember, this is a sauce. Now it's pretty thick as it is. If you want to make this thicker, you can add a cornstarch slurry to this, or Sampian gum, which is what I have. But this is thick enough to where we're not going to need this. Now that I have the sliced pork all nice and fried up, we're going to go ahead and add the vegetables to the pan. Do not drain the pan, do not clean it, anything. Bell peppers. Onion. Pineapple goes in last, after you add everything. You want this mostly done. Now that we have all this nice and almost done, this is where you would add your, if it was cubed, meat back in. Since I'm doing slices, we'll just kind of put it in here. Spread it out just a little bit. Add the sauce. Kind of make sure that everything is coated. You do want this to reduce just a little bit, but pretty much everything's already cooked. Got some trying to escape. And this is where you add the pineapple. So that way it doesn't fall apart as much whenever you're trying to fry the onions and peppers. This pineapple just needs to heat up. Right, and you want to let this cook and reduce to where everything is nice and thick and done. Alright, so whenever the sauce is your desired thickness, it is time to plate. You've got your bowl of rice. You've got your bowl of rice. Pick out a slice. Grab some of the veggies and the sauce. The sauce is my favorite. And we have dinner for a while. Alright, so that's it for today. It is hot in this kitchen. I'm going to crank the air conditioning up to like max right now and cool off before I have to clock in for work. Next week I am going to film early and upload early because I have a family thing. I'm going to be gone all weekend, and I'll see what I can find to be able to get that done without heating everything up so much. Thank you for joining. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.